Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the trendy beach wave cake. It's a design that has been in town for a really long time and can be styled differently. So we'll begin by icing our cake. Here I'm using buttercream frosting and I'm piping that on the cake. I like to do this with a piping bag because the icing remains even all around the cake and I can easily fill in any empty spots. So don't forget to fill in that edge so you can have a sharp edge when you scrape your cake later on. If you have any excess icing, just fill in those empty spots. So we get our spatula and simply smooth that top. Try to get it as smooth as you can so you don't go over it too many times. Now we get our scraper to smooth out this icing. When you're scraping, try to keep your hand straight and hold your scraper at an angle that's slightly away from your cake. Now we fill in those spots with some more frosting and scrape that again. Here I'm scraping this slowly to smooth out any icing or any lines or tiny holes on the cake. If you have cake crumbs or color stains on your cake, simply take it off like that and smooth that out again. Now to make the top straight, simply pull that icing inward with your scraper. You can also use your spatula for this, but I find it easier to use the scraper. For the beach wave, you hold your scraper lightly and use the pointy edge to create an up-down motion on the cake. Now we stick our butterflies at random positions on the cake. We have a couple of butterflies, so just stick those at any position you like. To make it a little bit more appealing, we're going to add some gold sprinkles. Now you could do this by hand, but it's way easier to apply your sprinkles using a tweezer. Because this is buttercream, you don't want to mess it up, so we're using tweezers to place them gently on the cake. So moving on, I'm using an angled paintbrush because it's much easier to reach the corners using this brush. But you can use any brush, but I find it easier to use the angled paintbrush or the ones that have a really pointy tip. If your hands are getting tired or shaky, simply support it using your other hand like this to get even lines. That's it, guys. We are done with this cake. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.